with me. We're in Davao. She likes whiskey, so
Yeah.
we took her to the Swiss Davao whiskey party. Ayan guys, bawal dito nakasando. So, kung kailan na iwan na namin yung gamit ko. Hiram na lang ako kay Joel. Pabansang Kuloko. Philippines. Wow. Ano ba? Parang...
Sir or brandy po. One bottle sir is maximum ito 6 person. If ever naman po sir na mag-exit po tayo ng 6, required na po natin mag-purchase another bottle.
Sakto, pwede tayo isang bottle.
Sir, kung ano sir, meron tayong mga single malt na
Saan ba kayo malinis para sa airport?
ano lang yun sa amin dito sir, pinaka sir 700 ml sir. Sir, bigyan ko kayo ng free taste with mix of tonic water para po magpipilian kayo ng taste kung gusto niyo po ba mag-soda or mag-lay ng tonic water.
Okay. Give a free bottle.
Huh? Go.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get
Ngayon lang ako nakita nito.
Sir, bagong product po yan sir ng Fundador sir.
Wow.
Okay.
Sir, on the rocks po ba sir or mix po sir?
Sige, isang on the rocks.
Sa on the rocks.
Yeah.
Kayo sir, karin sir. Try din po kayo sir.
Sige. You gonna try? Why not?
Kayo sir.
I'm gonna like it.
May namin Jason. Parang highball yan.
Yes sir, actually highball po talaga yung...
Highball talaga.
After nito sir, mag-highball tayo.
Pwede ba namin try lahat? Huwag mo lasing ganun. Ay, hindi pa namin nagustuhan. Hindi ba?
Pwede nyo rin ito i-try sir.
Balayan tuloy.
Balayan. Video na lang.
Kayo sir, gusto nyo po mag-try sir?
Hindi naman to gin bro eh.
May taste lang naman sir.
Charles and James.
What do you like?
No, I don't like whiskey at all. You and it with
It's only 25%. It's like a mixer. Oo nga.
So you po try yung highball.
You wanna try the highball? She said absolutely that.
I don't like whiskey.
But you like balls?
Not really.
Sorry sir.
Hindi siya nag-inom ng whiskey ba? Hindi siya uminom ng whiskey.
Yes sir.
Why don't you drink whiskey again? Oh, you just don't like it?
How about brandy?
Oh, brandy.
This is
I like-
This is like...
No, I like brandy.
I like...
Coke and rum. Like, brandy is good.
Gusto mo sayang, maraming hindi umiinom ng anak.
Makakita lang sir si Kuya.
Sino yung nagbigay ng free bottle kay Joel?
Yung operational manager po namin.
Wow!
Sir Balder.
Ito lang ba ang whiskey part?
Dito po sa Davao.
Pero meron pa ibang price.
Thank you, Sir Voltaire. To give us a free drink. But we thought he was selling us stuff.
No, thank you.
Yeah, he was giving it. Wait, is it free? Akala ko promo bro eh.
Give it for free.
Parang napanood nga yun dati.
Akala ko gagano na naman si sir eh.
Hindi na, baka pawiin yung puti.
Ano yung binigay ni Kuya Voltaire? Ito, TJ? Ito ba yung binigay ni, pag-iayangan na yan? Try din natin to.
Try yan
Parang
sir.
hindi pa natusubukan yun.
Ito naman sir ang Fundador sir. 23.5% of yung alcohol content. Sir, with clear flavor, banana, strawberry apple, vanilla, and chocolate.
Walang sa akin pare. Takot-takot dyan.
Sir, sweet yan, sir.
The last time I puked, I was drinking Fundador. That was the last time I puked. Back in the 90s.
Bread, oh.
Oldest na siya.
British pala ako. Solid, sir.
Oh, cheers, cheers.
How about you? Okay, here we go. Ba?
Sarap pa.
Suwabe ah. Parang gulaman lang ah.
Hindi pa rin sa amin.
Still have a phobia. It tastes like sa gulaman. Sagot gulaman.
Nilulungkot ang mukha mo.
Mamaya maghanap ka ng mic yan, bro.
Mapaanak, mapatur yan. Magano pa rin yung mukha.
Sadyang ganun naman.
Kumain din kasi ng durian lang. Ganyan din yung mukha.
Yung mangosteen ang nakapagtaka, ganun pa rin.
Bagoong.
Sobrang baho, pero
Ayun kain, sir.
Yung mababaho sa masarap, sir.
Dinamos.
They were saying that like durian is not even that smell. Doesn't even smell that bad, but it's good. There's other things that smells bad, but it's really good. No, she's talking about fish sauce, not the other things that you think.
Something similar to that. Something fishy.
You will still eat it no matter what.
28% yung alcohol.
So, baba pa ito.
Ito, ilan na? 25, sir. Sa whiskey, siya naman po yung pinaka-light.
Ah, 25. Yeah, sorry.
Kasi 40% yung...
Parang ano na.
Hindi, wala na sige. Tama lang.
May mga phobia na kami niyan, namimiss na yung mga flight. Hindi
Okay.
mag-extend.
Anong nangyari na yung boss?
Oo.
Na extend na lang.
Ma-extend na extend.
Marami na ba ngayon?
Lasingin niya pa. Anin siguro.
Kuya, sa akin po. Both sides, sir.
Apat na lang niya, kuya. Apat na lang. Tapos ko. Balik na lang tayo, never. Wow. You're gonna have to drink a little. It's actually really
Can I
good.
get this?
Okay. Oh, you're gonna get that meal? Okay. Yo. All two?
Check it out.
Wow. I feel weird wearing a jacket.
Yeah.
So, meron din palang restaurant dito. So, ganda nung spot. So, guys, lalaki hindi pwede nakasanto. Oh, mainit.
Hindi.
Scotland eh.
Scotland.
Sa inyo parang red wine.
Ah.
Cool sa'yo. Wow. What the fuck are you? She doesn't do that. Kumakain ako, mag-isa ko, tapos si Puti, andyan sa... Tapos may narinig kaming, mga ganyan. Dalawa lang kami dito Tapos maya lumalakas na. Mga ganun. Tapos sabi ko, what the fuck, Monroe? Tangin na, naniligo. Nakakonect dun sa speaker namin. Tinakot pa kami muna. Ay, sorry. Ayan, punta natin si Joel. Tingnan natin yung mga nakaka-81 points. Saka mo, So, No pressure, no pressure. Lalo na pressure. Bro, mahabol na siya. 30 na siya. 32 ka pa lang. 39. 33 na siya. 39 ka pa lang. Bro, 60 na siya. 45 siya.
You have to leave in 10 minutes.
Yeah, we gotta play bird song too, huh? Nice. Yeah, guys, mga 60 points na lang makakahabol na si Joel. 59, 125. Ang galing ba na?
Huh?
Ano ka ngayon?
Maligan, maligan.
Liar.
The jacket, you know? It's hard. Oh, see? Jacket. Mahabol bro, you know? Ang high score na oh. Ha? Yes po, para ma-beat ni Pambansang Kuloko yung high score. 3 seconds. 1 second. Oh, dang! Sayang, 1 point bro. 2.9. 1 second. Ayan po, para po siyang si Lechok. 1 point na lang.
We have to go in.
Guys, medyo pumunta kasi kami dito Tuesday night. Pero imagine to kung Friday o Saturday. So, itong Davao Whiskey Park, definitely, you have to stop by and see it. Ang sarap nung yung whiskey na CJ. CJ ba yun? Highly recommended actually kasi hindi siya masyado matapang. Sakto lang siya. Kaya, panalo. Guys, nandito kami sa Davao habang naghihintay si Pambansang Kolokoy ng flight niya. Punta muna kami dito sa Icos Garden. Galing kami sa whiskey bar, so nagkakabanggaan na kami. Ito nga po pala si Lin Lugaw. Pagka po sumikat siya, sana kilala niya pa kami. Rapper po siya. Actually, natakot si Lin Lugaw. Nakakita siya ng tower, pero isipin mo ang tower, tunog ka sa aeroplano, di ba? At least you're sleeping in a plane. 2 hours, no problem. They have, he's like scared of the tower. Nakakita ng tower bro, gusto niya orderin agad. Tower. Ayan. So, pero pwede nga kumain ng konti, di ba? Ano maganda? Meron pang mga design. Hello? Salamat. Yan no? Yun. It's nice. Ang ganda. Tignan mo. And then they have a roof, the shingles, and then like this frame. There. Yep. Works out. Yeah. They have a lot of statues, huh?
It's like a garden.
Yeah, that's probably their team. Ganda bro. Yan, parang Friday. Thank you. Ganda, no, bro? Pero naka-shingles lang siya, tapos frame. Pintura. Right? You call it pintura too?
Pintura? Yes.
Ito lang yan. Saan? You were here for like 2 days, 3 days now, or a week. You've been here for
More than a week
Okay, so what did you learn?
Nothing.
One word? No.
Po.
Huh?
Thank you po.
Po doesn't even count as a word.
I know.
That's like, okay. One word.
I forgot.
You're Spanish.
Oh,
There's some similarity.
Yeah, I know. There's gonna be like, oh, but that doesn't count.
Okay, what is it then?
I don't know.
Oh my.
Who's that?
Oh, that's why we're
It's
gonna
in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás?
sell one of your kidneys.
It's not worth it. I'm already sick. Too much alcohol.
Not one word. Wow.
But I don't know.
Wow.
I've been hearing a lot, but I forget. That thing makes me nervous.
You're just nervous. Like you can think of something.
Huh?
Okay, think about something dirty.
Turkey? What is turkey?
Dirty. No, dirty. Not dirty.
Curse words. I don't like curse words.
Curse, yeah. Guapo.
Poggy.
Foggy. See?
Yeah, I know that you repeated so
Oh,
much.
you know that.
No, he repeated
know
like
that
a
too.
lot.
They do have quesadilla?
Yes.
Wow. I'm not.
Bacon quesadilla.
You can eat. Kala ko pa naman yung tower, ano lang pala yun. I can't eat right now. Huwag ka na mo iya.
Sabi niya sa akin kanina. Gusto mo makipag-
Kasi ang mahirap na natin, baka minum pa siya, matagalan pa. So, kailangan pa ng liquid courage eh. Kasi mamaya natin naiiyak ka. Ano ang name mo? Hi pa.
Hi pa.
Hi Papa.
Order ko lang.
You look at me and you remember mainit.
Mainit.
Di, wow.
I need to start repeating the word because if I don't do it, I'm gonna forget.
Pamat yan. Hindi kami masyadong nalasing. Hindi nag-extend. Pero marami pa namang next time, diba? Next time. Pag sa Manila. Ayan.